So here's the reason why you gotta keep rooster. You gotta keep rooster. The reason why. They're pretty. They're hella pretty. See, look at that. Whoa. Look at that. Shiny. My rooster is shinier than yours. Haha. Laugh. LOL. See? They do bites because they treat them aggressive. Okay, American people, Mika, you treat your own rooster aggressive. Because you don't know nothing about chickens. You treat your rooster aggressive. Because you keep doing this. You keep doing this. You need to stop doing that. That's why you guys don't even buy roosters. And plus, you guys do not throw male babies away too. So I'm telling you, need them. And they could hatch, they could have babies from females. Okay, and rooster are very prettier than females. Have an aggressive one, then oh well, that's your fault. What are you gonna do with it? Kill it? No, you save it. You save it until you have the son, then you will kill it. So that's what I have been seeing. That's good. The son. Anyway, the son will be nice too. So you guys treat them aggressive. Do not treat them aggressive, guys. That's bad. You gotta treat them good. They could be treated. They treat you good. You treat them bad, they'll go straight attack you. You treat them good, they're gonna leave you alone. So you want baby chickens, you better put rooster with the female. If you want baby chickens. And it's good for eggs too. Female and males, they produce, but you put the male with the female will produce eggs faster. Instead of waiting for the whole month, just by doing that. But you gotta wait until 1 year old for hens. Because hens, they don't know how to raise their baby. And plus, they're too young. So it's better if you put old hens with this rooster. This rooster is old too. He's a grandpa. This rooster is a grandpa. This rooster is 1 year old. You do not care one of your 1 year old chickens yet. Okay? They know better than young ones. Even 3 or 4 or 5, all the way until dead. Just like how my rooster right there, I'm gonna leave him alive. Because he's super nice. I treat him good. This guy, he's mean. I don't know why. This guy, he's mean too. Probably one of my brother or sister keeps doing this or this. So you keep doing this or this, they're gonna do that and then bite you like that. You guys always have to treat your rooster good. You need to keep your rooster too. Don't kill it. Do not kill it. You kill your rooster. Oh wow. And you do not kill your own hens too. Your old hens. So I'm sick of people killing old hens. Doing bad stuff for the chicken. Man, bro, what the hell? You could only, for American people, you could only keep, if you have tons of hens, you could keep 4 or 5 roosters. 4 or 5 roosters if you have a lot of hens, okay? If you have like 10 hens, probably keep 2 or 3 rooster. 2 or 1, 3 rooster, that's fine. But you have thousands and you only keep like, not 1,000, but then you only keep 500. 500. Because you got a lot of chickens. Like that, for example. But if you have like 20 hens, and you keep 10 rooster. Or you keep 5 rooster, 4 rooster. Soon later, they're gonna start attacking each other. Because of breeding season 2. And plus, roosters are smart. They could keep hens away from predators, even you. They could keep hens away from you and the predators. Like dogs, for example. And they could alert, they makes this noise like, wow! Like, yeah, see, like that. See, like that. See, like that. You see? Okay, you chicken, shut up. Okay, see, like that. They will alert the females if they see a hawk or a bird. They will alert the chickens to run. That's why you gotta keep females. Do not kill males. I mean, not females, but do not kill males, and you gotta keep males because they do that. Okay? So please do not kill males. I mean, males, it will be hard to find because you guys keep killing it. And males and females, you breed the males and females, the female will produce eggs faster. Eggs faster. And if you have no males and just only females, the females, guess what? The female will just only have, they will lay egg until 1 month or 2 months. That's why you gotta keep males. And, wow, like that. See, like that. See, like that. You gotta keep them. They could alert hens from hawks. Okay, always gotta keep males. Okay, I'll try to eat your